Have you ever slipped into a long skirt, looked in the mirror, and felt like something was off, even though you couldn't explain why? For many beautiful Black women over 60 years old, long skirts can be powerful style allies, but only when we understand how to make them work for our mature silhouettes. Today, we're uncovering 8 common mistakes that quietly steal elegance and balance, and the simple shifts that instantly bring back grace, confidence, and sophistication. If you love fashion that honors your age, your identity, and your beauty, you're exactly where you need to be. And before we go any further, if this kind of content inspires you, tap like, follow for more empowering style tips, and let me know in the comments what type of skirt you love most, flowy, structured, or bold and modern. Let's begin. Long skirts can be incredibly elegant for Black women over 60 years old, but only when they support your natural shape, presence, and personality. One of the first mistakes many mature women make is choosing skirts with heavy, stiff fabrics that add unnecessary volume. Thick denim, rigid twill, or layered materials that don't move end up creating a boxy shape that hides the curves you still have, and should absolutely embrace. A long skirt should float, glide, and follow your natural walk. Softer fabrics, controlled pleats, and subtle movement help create a long, uninterrupted line that flatters your height, enhances your posture, and brings a more polished look. When the fabric drapes beautifully, everything else in your outfit instantly looks more intentional. Mistake number 2 is wearing long skirts that sit at the wrong part of the waist. As we mature, our midsection changes, and skirts that sit too low create a heavier silhouette. They pull the eye downward, making the skirt look oversized and shortening your frame. Skirts that sit too high, on the other hand, can exaggerate the midsection and remove the natural elegance of your proportions. The solution is finding your true waist, the point where your body naturally curves inward. Placing the waistband here creates balance, lengthens your legs, and gives your skirt a graceful vertical flow. Whether you prefer A-line, straight, or slightly flared, the right waist placement is what determines whether the skirt flatters or fights your shape. Both of these mistakes are common, and both are easy to fix with attention, intention, and a little fashion wisdom. When you choose long skirts that move with you and sit at the correct point on your waist, you're not just dressing stylishly, you're honoring the beauty and sophistication you've earned. And if you're enjoying these insights, take a moment to support this journey by liking the video, following for more style guidance tailored to mature Black women, and sharing your thoughts in the comments so we can keep building this elegant sisterhood together. Long skirts have the power to elevate your entire look, but only when the details work together harmoniously. One of the biggest mistakes Black women over 60 years old make is choosing skirts with overwhelming prints that drown out their natural features. Bold prints can be beautiful, but when they're too large, too busy, or lack color coordination with your undertones, they become distracting instead of flattering. Mature elegance shines when prints enhance, not overpower. Smaller, well-balanced patterns, along with prints that echo your skin's warmth, bring softness and sophistication. When the print works with you, it enhances your glow, your poise, and your presence. Mistake number 4 is pairing long skirts with tops that don't balance the silhouette. Many mature women gravitate toward oversized tops because they feel comfortable, but when combined with a long skirt, they blur your shape and make the outfit feel heavy. On the other hand, tops that are too tight can feel restrictive and emphasize areas you'd prefer to soften. The key is proportional balance. A gently fitted blouse, a tucked-in shirt, or a structured top offers a clean line that supports your skirt. Add thoughtful details like a defined shoulder, a soft drape, or a flattering neckline, and suddenly the whole outfit rises in sophistication. When the top and skirt speak the same style language, you get harmony, not competition. For mature Black women, balance is everything. It's the difference between looking hidden behind your clothes and shining confidently through them. And the beauty of long skirts is that they offer endless opportunities to express grace, movement, and your personal flavor, once the harmony between print, fit, and proportion is restored. Curating this balance doesn't mean sacrificing comfort. It means choosing pieces that respect your body, your age, and your identity. When you combine the right top with the right skirt, your entire silhouette feels lifted, sculpted, and intentional. Before we move on, if you're enjoying this journey and want to stay connected, feel free to like, follow, and comment with the type of long skirt you struggle with most. Your voice helps shape these videos into a true community of elegant, empowered women. And if you're ready to deepen your style knowledge, tap the card above to watch a powerful video that expands your understanding of fashion for Black women and helps you elevate every outfit you wear. As we continue exploring the subtle mistakes that can affect your elegance, let's move into a more advanced level of refinement. Mistake number 5 is pairing long skirts with the wrong footwear. Shoes are not just accessories, they're structural. They determine how the skirt moves, how your posture appears, and how your legs are visually shaped. Many Black women over 60 years old choose shoes based on comfort alone, which is understandable, but certain styles unintentionally shorten the leg line or make the skirt appear heavier. Chunky sneakers, overly flat sandals, or shoes that visually cut the leg at the ankle can disrupt the fluidity of a long skirt. The goal is elongation and grace. Low-block heels, elegant flats, refined sandals, or shoes with a subtle lift help shape the silhouette, giving your look a polished finish without sacrificing comfort. The right shoe turns a simple skirt into a complete, flowing outfit. Mistake number 6 relates to layering. Long skirts already carry visual weight, and when layers are added without intention, the outfit becomes bulky rather than elegant. Many mature women reach for long cardigans or oversized jackets, thinking they add comfort and modesty. Yet these pieces often compete with the skirt's length and movement. Instead of creating harmony, they stack volume and swallow your silhouette. Layering should be purposeful. If your skirt is flowy, choose a structured jacket that ends at the waist or hips to create shape. If your skirt is straight and sleek, try a softer, lightweight layer that moves gently without clinging. Balance the textures, smooth versus textured, structured versus fluid. When your layers complement your skirt rather than overpower it, your look instantly becomes more modern, graceful, and flattering. For mature Black women, these details matter deeply. Your clothing should highlight your confidence, your wisdom, and your strong sense of identity, not hide it. Understanding how shoes and layers interact with a long skirt means you're no longer dressing by habit, but by intention. You're crafting a silhouette that respects your body, honors your style, and elevates your presence. With each adjustment, you step into a higher version of your elegance, proving that beauty truly deepens with time. If you're enjoying how these insights are unfolding and want to keep growing in your style journey, tap the card right above. It leads to a beautiful lesson designed to help Black women elevate their wardrobe with ease, clarity, and joy. As we move into the final 2 mistakes, we're entering the realm of subtle refinement, the kind of details that truly separate an ordinary outfit from a polished, elegant look. Mistake number 7 is choosing the wrong accessories to pair with long skirts. Accessories have enormous influence on how mature Black women express identity, culture, and sophistication. But when jewelry is too heavy, when belts are oversized, or when handbags compete with the outfit, the overall look becomes visually confusing. A long skirt already creates a strong vertical line. Accessories should support that line, not fight it. Aim for pieces that add harmony. Earrings that lift the face, bracelets that add quiet sparkle, or necklaces that elongate the neckline. A thoughtfully chosen belt can define the waist beautifully, but only if it complements the skirt's fabric, color, and flow. Accessories are the punctuation marks of style. Use them intentionally, not impulsively. Mistake number 8 is wearing long skirts in colors or tones that don't enhance your natural warmth. Mature Black women glow beautifully in rich, deep shades, earthy tones, jewel colors, and hues that reflect melanin's radiance. But many women over 60 years old unknowingly choose washed-out or cool tones that drain vibrancy from the skin. Colors like pale beige, certain pastels, or muted grays can flatten the complexion and reduce the impact of the overall outfit. The goal is to choose shades that feel alive. Warm browns, deep plums, olive greens, rusts, teals, burgundies, and warm metallics. These create energy, dimension, and a lifted appearance that enhances every part of your look. When the skirt's color harmonizes with your skin, everything appears more intentional, from your posture to your expression to your presence. These final mistakes remind us that elegance is not just about what you wear, it's about how every part of your outfit works together. Long skirts offer endless opportunity for grace, age-positive beauty, and cultural depth. But the magic happens only when accessories and color choices align with who you are today, not who you used to be or who you think you should be. Refinement doesn't mean perfection, it means clarity. It means letting your style mature alongside you, honoring the richness of Black womanhood and the wisdom that comes with more than 60 years of life. When you correct these last two mistakes, long skirts stop being just clothing. They become a canvas for the confident, elevated version of you. Every detail, from your jewelry to your color palette, contributes to a look that is unmistakably yours, full of grace, power, and timeless beauty. Long skirts can be stunning allies in your style journey, especially when you understand how to avoid the mistakes that quiet your elegance instead of amplifying it. Now that you've seen how fabric, fit, prints, tops, footwear, layers, accessories, and color all shape your look, you're equipped to dress with confidence, intention, and ease. Your beauty as a Black woman over 60 years old isn't something to hide, it's something to celebrate. And every choice you make, from the waistline of your skirt to the tone that brightens your skin, can help you step into your most radiant self. Before you go, continue your journey by tapping the video that's appearing now. It's a powerful guide designed to help Black women over 60 years old become even more beautiful, confident, and stylish with every outfit.